So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make more money in your IT and your tech business. So my name's Ian Luckett from Innovate to Success, and I help IT and tech business owners to make more money and basically be more profitable. And I'm going to share with you today some tips and tricks on how to increase your revenue, how to decrease your costs, and also how to find some areas where you may not be profitable in your business. So if this is your first time to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified every time we release great content on a Tuesday. Now let's get over to the video. So if you wake up on a Monday morning and you open up your bank balance and you can see there's a certain figure in there and you're tracking your business performance based on that figure, then you need to watch this video, because that is not a true reflection of how your business is healthy. Now, if we can make a small increase in the income and also a small decrease in the costs, the extra profit in the middle is what we can then use to help us improve our efficiency and maybe buy some more systems and buy some more software so that we can actually get more efficient in our business and provide better value to our clients. Now, the most important thing with the income is understanding when it's coming in and understanding what levers you need to pull or push, in whatever case it may be, to increase that income and also to decrease the costs. Now, you could be having all sorts of different subscriptions, all sorts of different membership sites, all stuff that's just going in your bank balance at the moment, that you've always done it like that. But more importantly is when you win a big client, if you win a big infrastructure project where you're installing a lot of PCs and servers and cabling and whatnot, you need to make sure you've got the cash in the bank so you can buy that equipment up front, depending on whatever terms and conditions you've got with your supplier, obviously. But we need to make sure that there's enough health and enough cash in the business, and if you're not tracking it, then it's going to be really difficult to do it, because one day, unfortunately, some of the horrible risks that are out there might come along and start taking that profit that you don't know about and making your business a little bit unsafe. So here's the tip for today. The most important thing is really understanding your pipeline and really understanding where each line of your income is coming from. You might have different clients, you might have different products, you might have different solutions. Have a look, start tracking them out, and track out on a monthly basis over the next 6 months what you've got coming in. More importantly, when is the cash actually going to be in the bank balance? When is that going to drop, and when are you going to make sure that you've got that coming through? Secondly, get your bank balance out, get your cash, get your cash costs out, and start having a look at those and start getting rid of the ones that you've always subscribed to that don't add any value. Every cost you get on your spreadsheet must relate to a revenue generating task and something that's going to put income in the top box, and make sure that that's really, really nice and full, and that make sure that the costs are actually working hard for you as well, which is absolutely key thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I want to hear from you. I want to hear what you're doing to make more money in your IT and your tech business. Comment below and let's start getting a conversation going, and we can see if we can help you out. Don't forget as well to hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and you will be notified every time we release great content to help you in your IT and your tech business. I'm going to catch up with you in the next video. I'll see you soon.